This recipe will help you lose your body fat in just a few days. You're trying to lose weight? There are many ways easily attracting you, like diet or using weight loss detox teas on some web. It's promising you will have a flat belly in just a few days. This can be effective in a short time, but then you don't know how you can be prevented from weight gain again after creating all the detox teas they showed you. So, how you lose weight fast and maintain your ideal weight after losing. In this video, we will share with you a simple and effective tip for your problem. This natural drink will suppress your appetite and make you feel fuller for longer. This drink is fundamentally made by a blend of thermionic sustenance, which increases the body heat, thereby speed up metabolism and promote weight loss. Just drink it twice a day. It makes you lose weight effectively and maintain your ideal weight after losing. The first ingredient you need to prepare for this drink is cinnamon. Cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks are okay. Cinnamon contains the substance hydroxycinnamaldehyde, a substance that can control the amount of harmful cholesterol, causing fat formed in the body. Moreover, cinnamon can help you suppress the appetite and make you feel fuller longer. With this recipe, you will only need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder or 2 medium cinnamon sticks. The next ingredient is ginger. The amount of ginkgo and sorghum in ginger acts as a natural fat inhibitor. It helps increase stomach pH, control cholesterol, increase body heat, thereby speeding up metabolism, boosting the process of fat breakdown faster. Ginkgo not only helps you lose weight, but it also maintains your weight after losing. With each herb used, you will need 10 grams of ginkgo. After chopping the ginger, add into the saucepan together cinnamon powder. Then add 500 ml of water. Now you boil this ginger and cinnamon saucepan with medium heat for about 10 minutes or until it looks really red, then turn off the heat. Remove it from the heat and wait for it to cool down. After this time, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten a little bit, but only add honey when you are about to drink it so that you get to preserve the properties. Strain this water into a cup and drink it. You should drink 1 cup of this drink the first time in the morning on an empty stomach and wait 30 minutes before eating breakfast. And the second time, drink 1 cup at night before going to bed so you burn all the fat that you store during the day. Moreover, drinking this drink at night will help you avoid cravings at night, which is one of the main reasons why many people store fat and gain weight. Persistence is to drink this drink. After only a few days, your body will become slender as designed. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and click subscribe to get more other healthcare recipes and tips.